Hey everyone, in this short video, we are going to show you how you can change and select fonts in the Made4You Design Studio. So here I am at Made4You.store in our design studio, and I've opened up a sign project. It's 11 by 14, and I have two pieces of text here, Hello World. Again, if I come into the text section here on the toolbar and click any of these heading, for example, it drops in new text. I'll hit delete to get rid of that. And I have two pieces of text here. If I want to change the font on this text, click on it, and it shows here that I have the font Google Sans. If the font is available in bold or italic, that will become active for you to select if you choose. This particular one, Google makes available bold. If I want to change this font from Google Sans to something else, I simply select the font, go over here to the pull down, and what you'll see under fonts is we have hundreds of fonts here. Most of the fonts we use are pulled from Google, which gives you the right to use them personally and commercially. I'll choose Cooperstown. Cooperstown is a nice font for laser engraving because it's whimsical and it has a very broad stroke so that if you're laser engraving on a stainless steel tumbler, for example, it will give you a large area of open stainless. So that is how we do Cooperstown. I'll come down here and I'll choose another one. This is another nice one here I'm going to pick for laser engraving, and it's called Luckiest Guy. Dragging from the corner enables the font to get larger or smaller. We can change font color. We've covered this in all different videos. And that is how quick and easy it is to change fonts in the Made4You.store Design Studio. We hope to see you at Made4You.store, and thanks for watching.